वेलकम टू RK Edu Nexus। इन आवर रैंडम क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन हमारा प्राइमरी गोल है कि आपकी परीक्षा से पहले हम सभी सवालों का कवर करें जो कि परीक्षा में सबसे ज्यादा संभावित हैं। और ये सवाल पिछले वर्षों के NORCET, AIIMS, RRB, ESI, PGIMER की परीक्षाओं के प्रश्नों पर आधारित हैं। Join us regularly to make sure your selection.
Which of the following substances are secreted by the chief cells of the gastric glands? A. Pepsinogen. B. Trypsinogen. C. Intrinsic factors. D. Hydrochloric acid.
The correct answer is A. Pepsinogen. The chief cells of the gastric glands secrete pepsinogen, which is an inactive form of the enzyme pepsin. Pepsinogen is later activated by hydrochloric acid in the stomach, resulting in the breakdown of proteins during digestion. Trypsinogen is not secreted by the chief cells of the gastric glands, it is produced by the pancreas. Intrinsic factors, which are essential for the absorption of vitamin B12 in the small intestine, are secreted by the parietal cells of the gastric glands. Hydrochloric acid is also secreted by the parietal cells of the gastric glands. B. Trypsinogen, not secreted by chief cells, produced by the pancreas, aids protein breakdown in the small intestine. C. Intrinsic factors, not secreted by chief cells, secreted by parietal cells, necessary for vitamin B12 absorption. D. Hydrochloric acid, secreted by chief cells, creates stomach acidity, activates pepsinogen, kills harmful microorganisms.
Which of the following is the most common position of the appendix? A. Pelvic. B. Retrocecal. C. Subcecal. D. Promontoric.
A. Pelvic. The appendix can occasionally be found in the pelvic region, but it is not the most common position. B. Retrocecal. This is the most common position of the appendix. It means that the appendix is located behind the cecum in the abdomen. C. Subcecal. The appendix can be positioned beneath the cecum, but it is not as common as the retrocecal position. D. Promontoric. This option does not correspond to a recognized term or position of the appendix. It seems to be either incorrect or misspelled. In summary, the appendix is most commonly located in the retrocecal position, behind the cecum in the abdomen. The pelvic position is less common, while subcecal and promontoric are not accurate terms for describing the appendix's position.
Which of the following options correctly identifies the location of the foramen of Morgani? A. The brain. B. The lesser omentum. C. The skull. D. The diaphragm.
And the answer is option D, the diaphragm. A. The brain, foramen of Morgani, is not located in the brain. B. The lesser omentum, foramen of Morgani is not located in the lesser omentum. C. The skull, foramen of Morgani is not located in the skull. D. The diaphragm, foramen of Morgani is located in the diaphragm, a muscle that separates the chest and abdominal cavities. The correct answer is option D, the diaphragm.
Which of the following is not a component of the levator on knee? A. Pubococcygeus. B. Puborectalis. C. Iliococcygeus. D. Transverse peronei.
Pubococcygeus. This muscle is a component of the levator on knee. It stretches from the pubic bone to the coccyx and supports the pelvic organs. B. Puborectalis, another muscle that is part of the levator on knee. It forms a sling-like structure around the rectum, aiding in maintaining continence. C. Iliococcygeus. This muscle is also a component of the levator on knee. It extends from the ischial spine to the coccyx, providing support to the pelvic organs. D. Transverse peronei, not a part of the levator on knee. It is unrelated to the pelvic floor muscles and is not involved in supporting the pelvic organs or maintaining continence. In summary, options A, B, and C are components of the levator on knee, while option D, transverse peronei, is unrelated to the levator on knee and is not part of the pelvic floor muscles.
And for additional query, search on YouTube RK Edu Nexus, and get brief note on topics, join our Telegram channel, same name RK Edu Nexus.